me know what yours are. Drop it down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your response. I mean, I know there's going to be a lot of slating in the comments, but again, I'm open to suggestions, and I'm not perfect, guys. I'm always willing to learn. There's always going to be something that I've done that can be wrong. I mean, that I can improve on, whether it's filming, editing, and the style of doing it. I'm not 100% right. I mean, these are my methods and they work for me. Maybe they work for you. Try them out. And yeah, so we're moving on to the dance now with the father. Again, the dance with the father was very similar to the first dance. It was just the same again. I did a few seconds wide. When I say a few, I mean like 10-15 seconds wide, and then I went back into the close-ups, got the nice detail shots, emotions. That's the whole thing. That's everything that I'm capturing, and I'm doing that freehand. It's making me quicker. I can then zoom in quicker, get the shot, boom, move away, get the shot, boom, move away, repeat, and do that as swiftly, as calmly as possible. Whereas with the gimbal, it's just about getting that shot level, finding the right balance, zooming in. It does take a bit of time. It does take a bit of time on the gimbal, but I'm more comfortable handheld. So once the first dance and the bride and the father's dance was complete, the DJ then announced the rest of the family and friends to then join the couple and the father in the dancing. And I've got snippets of everyone dancing, having fun, emotions, making sure that I'm really tight with, if I want to focus on one subject, I'm tight on them, the composition is correct. Videography and photography are different when it comes to dancing. I know with a lot of photographers, even some videographers, they lower down the shutter speed maybe to about 1/50, shoot at 100 frames, shoot at like maybe 50 frames, and then in post-productions it gives it more of a slow motion kind of vibe, and it's very like lower shuttery, and it's just like jittering. Again, that's not my style. I mean, everyone's different. It does give a nice effect. I mean, I have tried it in photography where it gives it like a nice motion blur, but for me personally, I don't really like that style of filming, which is why I never did it. But again, there's different ways on what you want to capture and how you want to capture their wedding film. I did all the shots of the family and the friends dancing and mingling. Bearing in mind, guys, I was drinking plenty of water. Hydration, guys, just stay hydrated, especially when you're filming in a climate such as hot as France. Sometimes in the summer, the weather is crazy. The weather is crazy hot. Your cameras are overheating. They need a break. You need a little break as well. So bear that in mind, guys. When you're having a break, or when you're having something to eat or drink, choose wisely on what you eat first and foremost. You don't want to eat something heavy. I was just eating fruits and nuts literally that whole day until the wedding was finished. That's when I had a big meal because I knew the job was complete. And once I eat anyway, like my like how it works for me, it could be different for you, but how it works for me, when I eat, especially my final meal, I feel really lazy and lethargic and I can't really get stuff done. But when I'm having snacks, like when I mean snacks, I mean like fruit, nuts, healthy things, maybe a protein bar, plenty of water, sparkling water. It keeps me moving. I mean, don't get me wrong, I drink coffee all the time as well. Sometimes, if worst case scenario, I maybe pull out the big guns like the Monster cans. You've not seen them today, guys, because I've just been drinking my coffee. But editing this was a total nightmare as well. I will probably, if you want, guys, if you want an editing tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. I can get this editing tutorial done and show you breakdown on how I got the wedding film. So once the first dance and the dancing was done, we had a ribbon game that the bridesmaids kind of told me about last minute. So what happened was each of the bridesmaids had a ribbon, and how it would work, they would walk around in circles around the bride, and she'd be cutting off a ribbon each until the final ribbon remains, and that's who she would give the bouquet to. And it's a cool concept, really cool. So we had 2 cameras on that. We had a light as well. We had with some of the bits it might be overexposed, but we didn't really know that was happening. They told us that last minute, guys. So we had one of the lights set up. I was on the wide, and we had a camera on a tripod using the close-ups. How it works is that we had 2 cameras. My camera was on a wide freehand as well, and then we had camera B, which was on a tripod, going nice and tight, focused on the bride and the hands and the faces, the emotions. And then eventually, guys, the bridesmaids, who it is actually the bride's best mate, won the game, and it was so happy as well to see them rejoice and kindle together, which was amazing. Also, bearing in mind, guys, we told the DJ to lower the music down as well, just so we can capture some audio of the brides and her friends, just like cheers, natural cheers, like the sound. and yeah, it was absolutely stunning, guys. Honestly amazing. The music that I used as well was non-copyright free.